Digital A11Y Insights, your accessibility partner. Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about error identification. We're also going to talk about its importance, the benefited types, some examples, and how we can fix them. When users fill out online forms such as login forms in applications, modern websites and apps typically use icons and colors to notify them of errors if they fail to input required data or omit information in the required format. However, it is not enough to rely solely on visual cues. To ensure users fully understand the errors, they should also be described in the text. Let's take a look at one scenario. Suppose a user forgets to include the @ symbol in the email field of the login screen. An automated error detection system should trigger and display a clear message stating the email address you entered is incorrect. But why do we need this? And who are the individuals impacted by this? Well, users with limited vision or without vision rely on screen readers to navigate the interface and may not be able to identify icons or colors. And users with limited cognitive language or learning abilities may struggle to understand error icons or color indicators. A good example is demonstrated by an online travel website that employs automatic error validation when users input their personal information such as name, address, and seat preferences. If errors are detected, they are identified and explained through textual messages such as "Please enter a valid zip code" for an incorrect or invalid zip code. Also, these error messages are associated with the corresponding fields and are assigned a role, alert, or live region, which enables screen readers to promptly announce the errors as soon as they appear on the screen. Now, let's take a look at one of the failure scenarios. One unfavorable instance can be observed in a sign-up form for a social media platform that requests the username, email, and additional information. While error validation is used in the forms to detect errors, the fields containing errors are only highlighted in red color without any accompanying identification, description in the text, or icons with alt texts, leaving users who have limited vision, color blindness, or cognitive difficulties unable to comprehend the errors. In order to effectively address errors in your web forms, it is important to take the following steps. One should offer clear textual descriptions of any errors that arise during form submission. One should avoid generic error messages like "the field is required" and instead provide specific guidance like "please enter a valid username." One should always link error messages to the respective form fields using the ARIA described by attribute. One should use ARIA live regions or role alert in error messages containers to make sure screen readers announce errors as soon as they appear. And one should utilize both colors and icons to visualize communicate errors, in addition to providing textual error messages. Now, let's talk about how we can fix them. One should place error messages within the form or immediately below it, but not above it, to provide clear and concise feedback to users. One should also provide jump links that enable users to navigate directly to the corresponding error messages to streamline the error correction process. In conclusion, error identification is crucial for screen readers as it ensures that the content being read aloud is accurate and accessible. By detecting and alerting users to errors, screen readers can provide a more seamless and effective experience for individuals with visual impairments, ultimately improving their ability to navigate and interact with digital content. This is the end of the video. Thank you for joining. If you like the video, do like and subscribe.